Imagine if your computer could learn from its experiences, just like you do. Sounds fascinating, right? This is the concept of machine learning. It's not some distant science fiction fantasy, but a reality that's actively shaping our world today. Computers are learning, adapting, and evolving based on the data they process. They're no longer just tools. They're becoming intelligent entities, capable of making decisions and predictions. So you might be wondering, what exactly is machine learning? At its core, machine learning is a method of data analysis. It's a branch of artificial intelligence that automates analytical model building. It's not about robots taking over the world or computers gaining consciousness. It's about teaching computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. Imagine you're watching your favorite show on a streaming platform. When the episode ends, the platform suggests another show you might like. Ever wondered how it knows? Well, it's all thanks to machine learning. The platform uses algorithms to analyze your viewing habits, learn from it, and then predict what you might enjoy watching next. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your taste in shows and always has a recommendation ready. Similarly, think about your email account. How does it know which emails to flag as spam and which ones to let through? Again, the magic of machine learning. Your email service uses algorithms to analyze patterns in the emails you receive, learn from it, and then makes a decision on whether an incoming email is spam or not. So, how does this work? Machine learning uses algorithms, sets of rules or instructions for a computer to follow. These algorithms interpret data, learn from it, and then make predictions or decisions. It's a bit like cooking from a recipe. The algorithm is the recipe, the data is the ingredients, and the decision or prediction is the finished dish. But unlike a human chef, a machine can whip up millions of dishes in seconds, constantly tweaking the recipe based on new ingredients. There are many types of machine learning algorithms, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. Some are great for predicting the weather, others for detecting credit card fraud, and some for powering recommendation systems on streaming platforms. The choice of algorithm depends on the task at hand and the data available. Now that we've touched on the basics, how does machine learning actually work? Well, that's a fascinating topic in itself, and one we'll delve into in the next scene. So stay tuned. Machine learning operates through a process that might remind you of how humans learn. Just as we learn from experience, machine learning algorithms learn from data. It's a 5-step journey that begins with data collection. Imagine data as a teacher imparting wisdom to a student. The more diverse and extensive the data, the broader the machine's knowledge base becomes. This data could be anything from customer shopping habits to weather patterns, depending on what we're trying to predict or understand. The next step is model selection. Here, we choose a mathematical model, kind of like the brain of our machine learning system. This model, with its parameters and structure, will interpret the data and learn from it. There are many types of models, each with their strengths and weaknesses. The choice depends on the nature of the data and the problem we're trying to solve. Once we've picked our model, it's time for training. This is where the magic happens. The model is exposed to the data and begins learning from it. It's like a student studying a textbook, absorbing the information and improving its understanding. During this phase, the model adjusts its parameters to minimize errors and increase accuracy. But how do we know if our model has learned well? This brings us to validation. Here we expose the model to a new set of data, separate from the training data, to evaluate its performance. If the model performs well, it's a good indication that it has learned effectively. If not, we may need to tweak the model or gather more data. Finally, we reach testing. This is the final exam for our model. It's exposed to yet another set of unseen data. If it performs well here, it's ready to be deployed and start making predictions or decisions in the real world. So, machine learning involves a series of steps that refine its ability to make accurate predictions or decisions. But what are its practical applications? You might be surprised to learn just how many areas of our lives are influenced by machine learning. Let's start with healthcare. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data, from patient records to medical imaging, to detect patterns and make predictions. This can lead to early detection of diseases, personalized treatment plans, and overall improved patient outcomes. In finance, machine learning is used to analyze market trends and make accurate predictions. It can help financial institutions detect fraud, manage risks, and provide personalized banking experiences. It's like having a savvy financial advisor who never sleeps. In the world of entertainment, machine learning is changing the game. Streaming services use it to recommend shows and movies based on our viewing habits. Music platforms use it to create personalized playlists. Even video games use machine learning to create more challenging and immersive experiences. And let's not forget transportation. Machine learning is at the heart of self-driving cars, optimizing routes, predicting traffic patterns, and making split-second decisions to keep us safe on the road. From healthcare to finance, entertainment to transportation, machine learning is improving efficiency, accuracy, and personalization. It's helping us diagnose diseases earlier, make smarter financial decisions, discover new entertainment, and even navigate our roads more safely. It's clear that machine learning has a wide range of applications, making it a truly transformative technology. So, we've taken a journey through the fascinating world of machine learning. We've unmasked the mystery behind this trending tech, breaking it down to its basics. To recap, machine learning is the process where computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a child new skills, but in this case, the child is a computer. We delved into how machine learning operates, using algorithms to make predictions or decisions based on data. The more data it's fed, the more accurate these predictions become, making it a self-improving system. Then, we explored its myriad applications, from personalized recommendations on our favorite streaming platforms to predicting stock market trends, from powering voice assistants to aiding in medical diagnoses. Machine learning is making waves in nearly every sector. As we journey further into the age of technology, machine learning continues to evolve and expand, becoming an integral part of our everyday lives. Machine learning, a blend of technology and intelligence, is shaping our future, and this is just the beginning.